Hello guys, welcome once again to Think Tank TV. Now, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, in his usual way, has committed another blunder while presenting the budget to the National Assembly just a few minutes ago. Now, I know that nobody is above mistake, but the truth is that our duty is to continually keep you up to speed with what is happening, especially in the political sector of Nigeria, Africa, and the world at large. Let's take a look at the blunder that was just made by President Bola Ahmed Tinubu in the joint section of the National Assembly. And I'll be coming back to give you the reactions of Nigerians about it. Please, intentionally do well to touch the like button as a means of courtesy for the good work we do to keep you continually posted. Also, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Let's get to know what you think about the actions of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu that has generated a lot of media attention, and we shall continually be here to serve you.
Senior government officials, gentlemen of the press, distinguished guests, ladies and gents, in fulfillment of one of my constitutional duties and with unyielding commitment to rebuilding Nigeria towards ensuring that we remain steadfast on the journey to a prosperous future, I hereby present the 2025 budget to the joint section of the 11th National Assembly. I wrote 11. Point in its development trajectory. The 2025 budget proposal again reinforces our administration's roadmap to secure peace, prosperity, and hope for a greater future for our beloved nation. This budget christened Budget of Restoration, Securing Peace, Building Prosperity, strikes at the very core of our renewed hope agenda and demonstrates our commitment to stabilizing the economy, improving the lives and repositioning our country for greater performance. The journey of economic renewal and institutional development, which we began 18 months ago, and I emphasize just 18 months ago, as a nation, is very much underway. It is not a journey of our choosing, but one we have to embark on for Nigeria to have a real chance at greatness, and I thank every Nigerian for embarking of this journey of reform and transformation with us. The road of reform is now clearly upon us, and as the president of this blessed nation, I know this less traveled road has not been easy. That there have been
Alright, so guys, let's take a look at some of the reactions that has trailed the video you just watched. We have Dennis said GCFR 2027, and Z was laughing. We have Nnamdi who said Jagaban. Network TV show said show at them. Network TV show also said old fools, and we have Dario who said Jagaban of Africa. Network TV show also said on your mandate we shall stand inside House of Assembly. And then we have Z who said 2027 is done. We have Nathaniel who said bunch of hypocrites. We have TV Network Africa who said Ika of Africa. We have Ajayi who said these are hypocrites. And we have Network TV Africa said 1914 amalgamation has expired. We want to go our separate ways. We have Deji who said rounds of applause in the midst of scarcity. How many of these people know the prices of foodstuff in a typical Nigerian market? See bunches of selfish and nonchalant leaders. We have Kingdom who said this is terrible. We have Isa who said long life, Mr. President. Kingdom also said the house has sold their authority. Sheena said Nigerians have entered it again. Budget or no budget, not much is expected. Beauty said old muggles. Nobody made you president, you made yourself president. Network TV said, why won't you be happy, Ole? We have Z who said, the Lord bless you, sir. Thank you for SEDC. Southeastern Nigeria is happy with Mr. President, really. That's remarkable indeed. Now we have Beauty who said, Wahala, and Abiodun said, Nigeria, my country, will be vindicated sooner. Atua said politics is played on a different level. Give him his heart. Z said we just gave Abia State airport. Thank you, Mr. President. Another reaction came from Network TV show who said you are improving, Ole. Okoroji said it's well, my country. Ari said gracious, Mr. President, for all you have done. And Tinubu and Z said Tinubu, God bless you, sir. Network TV show said let the poor citizens breathe. Ika leaders. Network TV show said this kind of faith. What kind of faith is that? We have another one from Network that said you are only there for you and your family. Our father said Nigeria will be great again. Network TV said 64 years of no light, no jobs, no good roads, no hospital, no joy, no security. Z said 2027 unopposed. Network TV said Nigeria will be great again after you all might have gone after 70 years. Alter Lomik said person no think say him they talk for head o, not knowing Baba they read them for screen. We have Osas who said, oh yeah, make them do sing. On your mandate we shall stand. On your mandate, Bola. On your mandate, Bola. On your mandate we shall stand. And Aja was clapping. We have Aris who said no pain, no gain. Whether you like it, we must endure. And it's now or never. Finally, Ade said, Mr. President. So these are some of the reactions that has trailed the presentation of the budget by President Bola Ahmed Tinubu that just happened in the National Assembly. That is currently ongoing in the National Assembly as we speak to you. Now, you can see the accolades coming from the National Assembly members regardless of their political party. It tells you that, to a large extent, these guys stand by President Bola Ahmed Tinubu in the midst of the scarcity, in the midst of the economic hardship, in the midst of what Nigerians are going through. I expect that these guys should be able to stand for the people that voted for them, because averagely, if you ask an average Nigerian if they are pleased with the performance of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, you know what the answer is going to be. Do well to drop your own thoughts in the comment section. Let's get to know what you think about what you just watched, and we shall continually be here to serve you.